dipping your toes in the water on a sunny Southern California beach. Isn't this what everybody's doing on Thanksgiving Day? Hello travelers, we're out again for another expeditious adventure. This time Central Coast of California with Paca the Adventure Van. Meet Alpaca, or Paca for short. A short wheelbase Mercedes high-top van converted into a camper. We rented her from a website called RV Share and took her for the Thanksgiving 4-day weekend up the Central Coast of California. Our first stop was Pismo Beach, Oceano Dunes State Recreation Area. About the only place in California where it's legal to drive out onto the beaches. You can bring any vehicle you want as long as you know how to do it and don't get it stuck. We spent most of the day driving the beach and exploring the dunes. Then we set up camp and had dinner in front of the ocean sunset. The next morning we started north. We decided not to take any of the interstates and drive only on secondary roads the rest of the trip. So we headed up Highway 1 to Morro Bay. We stopped at Morro Strand State Park Campground. We were actually going to meet up with some friends there tomorrow, but we came a day early just to take our time and relax. It was Thanksgiving Day, and we decided to bail on any plans going into town for a traditional dinner and just dined on wine, cheese, and charcuterie right there in the van. Really doesn't get better than that. We spent 2 days there, the second day mostly rainy. So we walked the beach a little bit, sat in the van, drank a little wine. Really? Did we need to do anything else? This is the best grilled cheese sandwich I ever made. Actually, I'm stealing this from Sam the cooking guy. It's basically caramelized onions in a French onion soup style, lots of Gruyere, grilled garlic bread. Only I one-upped him by putting pastrami in it instead of roast beef. Who says van life cooking has to suck? Saturday morning we continued our drive up Coast 1, through San Simeon and on into Big Sur. There we did something different. We turned east, climbed a Forest Service road all the way up to the top of the mountains with a view out into the ocean. It was an absolutely magnificent drive. It took most of the day to get up to Big Sur and traverse the coastal range. When we got to the other side, it was approaching darkness, so we camped at Lake San Antonio. There we woke up to find ourselves the only people in an entire campground. Over 300 spaces, all empty. On Sunday, we worked our way south along the base of the Los Padres Mountains, finally crossing over into Ojai Valley. The little rain we had had all weekend on the coast was a beautiful blanket of snow through the mountains. When you look out at this snow-covered scenery, it's hard to believe you're only 10 miles by air from the sunny California coast to the Pacific Ocean. This was our last night with Baca. Tomorrow after breakfast, we'd have to clean her up and return her back to her owner. She was very faithful to us, never let us down. It was an amazing trip. Perhaps, just maybe, there might be a Sprinter van of my own in my future. Hey, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and share it on social media if you think there's anybody else that would enjoy it too.